Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm going to show you how to make chili garlic paneer BIR style. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. For this recipe, I've used paneer cut into 2 to 3 centimeter cubes. I've coated them lightly in salted flour, knocked off the excess, and then deep fried at 180 Celsius for around a minute and a half to crisp and seal. To begin, heat 3 tablespoons of butter ghee or oil in a pan on high and add half the finely sliced onion along with half a finely sliced green pepper. Fry for a couple of minutes, stirring frequently to soften. Add in 1 tomato cut into about 8 pieces and optionally a small handful of finely sliced white cabbage. Stir through for a further minute. Sprinkle over 2 chopped green finger chillies and 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Fry for around 30 seconds until the bitter smell of the garlic disappears. Add in 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder or half a teaspoon of Mr Naga pickle, along with half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of mix powder. Mix through thoroughly, adding a little heated up base gravy to keep things moving if required, then fry for a couple of minutes. Tip in 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, mixed with 9 tablespoons of water to allow it to incorporate easier. Stir through and allow the bitterness of the tomatoes to cook out for a couple more minutes, scraping the sides and bottom when necessary to incorporate the caramelised bits. Add in 250 ml of heated base gravy, incorporate and allow to reduce for a minute or 2 before adding in the paneer. Serve when the paneer is heated through and the sauce is the consistency you like, with a sprinkle of fresh chopped coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.